Optometry Super Bowl champion, a distinction earned by a select few. Since 1992, many have fought the battle, pushing the outer limits of knowledge. Those that persevere stand proud, representing the finest institutions in North America. Among them, Ohio State and Northeastern State Universities, the only three-time winners in the competition. Every year, the stakes are high. This year is no different. The pressure on the students is at a feverish pitch. They've spent countless hours preparing, getting ready for the ultimate test, studying, absorbing as much information as possible, pushing each other past physical limits. All this for one reason: to be the best, to be called number one, to hoist the trophy and be recognized as a champion. Practice is over. The game is on. Welcome to the 2003 Varilux Optometry Super Bowl. In a few minutes, we'll kick this thing off. But first, here are the ground rules. Each of the 19 contestants will compete in one of two qualifying rounds. The qualifying rounds will consist of 20 questions or 20 minutes, whichever comes first. Each correct answer scores 1 point. Incorrect answers
no good!
Cost the contestant a point. The 4 top point scorers in each qualifying round will advance to the Varilux Super Bowl. The Super Bowl consists of 2 rounds. In the first round, a correct answer earns a point. A wrong answer costs a point. In the last round, the questions are equal to a safety. Get it right, earn 2 points. Get it wrong, it costs 2 points. A tie in any of the rounds will result in a sudden death playoff. The first contestant with the correct answer will win the round. If a question is asked, but no contestant attempts to answer in 6 seconds, that question will be thrown out and the game will advance to the next question. Once a contestant rings his or her buzzer, the host will stop reading the question and the contestant will have 6 seconds to give an answer. If time expires before the contestant answers, he or she will lose a point and must wait for the next question. If the contestant answers incorrectly, the host will read the question again for the other contestants who can still respond. If a second contestant responds incorrectly, he or she will lose a point and the host will give the correct answer before moving to the next question. The judges will resolve any disputes. They are the ultimate authority. They alone can throw out questions, and their decisions are final. Upon completion of the final round, there will be a final question. Each contestant will be able to wager up to as many points on a final question as they earned during the game. Their wagers will be collected before the final question is asked. The contestants will then have 1 minute to write down their answer. The amount wagered will be added to the contestant's total for a correct answer or subtracted for an incorrect answer. Contestants with negative point totals will not be eligible for the final question unless all the contestants have negative totals. In this case, each contestant can wager up to 100 points. Naturally, the contestants with the highest point total after the final question will be crowned Varilux Super Bowl 12 champion. Now, let's get ready to rumble. It's game time.